はい、皆さんこんにちは。今日も日本語を勉強しましょう。Today's topic is about, word about. Okay, something about, that sort of about. Okay, so shall we start? You're going to learn the difference between noun のこと and noun について and also how to use them, okay, in the sentences. Okay, let's begin. Now, we've got two questions for you to go through the structure of noun のこと。Okay? So what is the meaning of こと? The answer is basically abstract things you can't see, like experience, your actions you have already had, or planned action. Okay? Right, or even opinions, thoughts, and so forth. Okay. And what type of word is it? こと. The answer is a noun. Okay, so that's why the structure-wise you've got noun のこと. Okay, because こと is a noun. Okay. Okay. Do the following words have the same structure? 日本のこと、私の趣味. The answer is yes. Okay. The structure is exactly the same. 日本 is a noun, no is a particle, and こと is a noun. 私 is a noun, 趣味 as a hobby, as a noun. So therefore both of them have got the same structure. Noun, not noun. Okay. So 私の弟 my younger brother, an Australian in Melbourne in Australia. Okay, but please remember, in terms of types of words you use for noun のこと, but also a bit of a sort of meaning of the words. So the noun you use before no is a bigger categorized notion word. 私 is always bigger to me or to you, of course, if you use the word 私. Okay. 弟 is a secondary or third, tertiary or whatever, so smaller categorized notion word. Same as Melbourne and Australia. Australia is bigger and Melbourne is smaller. Okay, Australia is a nation's name and Melbourne is one capital of a state of Australia. So please remember that aspect of the noun のこと. Okay, so the structure is a noun のこと and first noun is always a bigger categorized notion word. Okay, 私のことを覚えていますか? That's one of the example. Do you still remember about things about me or things about me? Okay, or native speaker would say just, do you still remember me? Okay. オーストラリアのことを聞きました. So I've heard things about Australia, which means I heard about Australia, okay, in English. テストのことを言います. So I'm going to talk about the test. It doesn't say this, but test which we'll have next week. Okay. So again, the sort of meaning of the first noun before no, it always bigger categorized notion, and after no, noun after no has got smaller categorized notion. Please remember that. Okay, so let's move on to the next sentence, not sentence, sorry, the expression. について noun について Okay. トムさんのご家族について話してください. That's one of the typical the final year, year 12 final year conversation question. Please talk about your family, Tom. トムさんのテストの結果 is a result. 結果について聞きました。I've heard about the result of Tom's test. ね、学校の校則について言います。校則 what does it mean by 校則 校則 is a school rules, isn't it? Yep. So, I'm talking about the school rules. Okay. So, slightly different way of putting the expressions. Okay. Now, the difference between について and のこと。Now, について, I mean, very interchangeable, but noun について is more colloquial. Of course, you can use the expression for writing, but the writing, in writing, のこと is how can I say, more used. But again, they are interchangeable. Okay, right. So, today's summary. So we looked at the difference between noun のこと and noun について. And also, briefly, we looked at how to use those expressions. Okay. All right. That's it. Thank you very much and see you next time. はい、さよなら。